Okay, welcome back. This again is Bryant Larson on the data team here at Canvas and InStructure. We are talking today about our Canvas Data CLI tool, and we are ready to perform the sync operation. So we're going to pop down to the sync command on this walkthrough document. And syncing is probably one of the easiest commands to run because this example here works really well. Just out of the box, sync is built to run easily. So I'm going to copy the command, including all the way up to this little -c. I'm going to leave off the rest of this. Just going to copy the -c. In a previous video, we configured and saved our credentials, so those have all been taken care of. The place that I've saved my config though was on my desktop, so I'm going to cd to the desktop, and the directory listing here will show that that's where my config is. Very good. So I'm going to paste the sync command right here, and then I'm going to type CON and then hit the tab key, and Windows will look for in the current directory any files that match that CON and fill the rest in for me. That's it. It's ready to go. This is going to communicate with the cloud. It's going to use my credentials that I provided and find where I am, find out I'm 3 dumps behind. And then it downloaded those files for me from 3 days worth of data dumps. Another directory listing in here will show that there's a new folder in here called data files. So let's go look at those. Right on my desktop, data files, there they are. And as you can see, now this is my little personal sandbox. There'll be a bunch more for your account, but for speed of training, we thought it'd be convenient if there weren't as many files. But here they are, and as an example, we can open up one of these boxes and you'll see there's a couple of these files. Requests is special. You can read more about requests later, but they're in a format that's not really easily picked up by Windows, especially Windows out of the box. The tools that are on it don't support that very well. And that is why we created the unpack command. So we're going to go back to the documents, and we're going to look down just a little bit further. You'll find this unpack command. And unpack will do the work of uncompressing those files for us, because that's what that file format means, is that they've been compressed. That saves everybody money when we move things around the internet to have them compressed that way. So let's copy the unpack command and move back to the command line tool. And we'll paste it right here. And the config file we want to use is right here next to us, config.js. And then let's go back to the doc, because you'll notice there's another command that we need, and it's the -f. And -f in this case stands for what files do you want me to unpack for you. So let's go back to the command, -f. And then I don't know if you guys saw them, but the files that we want are account dim, enrollment term dim, and request. Those are the 3 that came down with me and from my little sandbox. So we just need to type them here. And they are space delimited. So I hit space right here and type the next one. And I hit enter. This command finds those compressed files, creates a new folder if it doesn't already exist in our place where we are, the desktop, and then it puts them in that folder. So here I have the account dim, the enrollment term dim, and the request file. All of them have been uncompressed, and another neat feature is we've put the header up on the top. So if you're going to import these into Excel or any of the other database tools you're going to use to look at, having that header across the top is invaluable. It helps a lot. Those are the commands. We have another video that will show you how to batch those up and have them run every single day without your user input, which is really a nice idea. But that is the nuts and bolts of how to use the sync and unpack commands with the Canvas Data CLI. Thanks for watching.